Before starting the operation, it is very important to read the joint instruction manual. We are using chemical products, so it is necessary to protect your hands and eyes. First step is to read the engine error codes to make sure there are no defaults that will obstruct this cleaning intervention. Before starting the cleaning operation and the fact the engine will run for 2 hours, be sure there are no engine cooling problems. Make sure the cooling liquid level is correct, and meanwhile we check also the engine oil level of this car. Next we search for the engine air inlet. Check carefully you use the correct inlet hose. Do not use the turbo inlet hose. We disconnect the inlet hose. Next, prepare the correct Venturi disc to connect onto the air inlet. Here we use the small 6 cm disc. Next we screw the spray head onto the correct Venturi disc. Now we pour 1 liter cleaning solution into the machine. 1 liter is for 1 cleaning treatment. Next, we connect the machine to the car battery of the car and we start the engine. Once the engine is running, we place the Venturi onto the air inlet. We adjust the airflow with the spray head. Next, we adjust the machine spray impulses on 50 impulses a minute. We start the operation and I adjust the impulses to the need of the engine demands. After 2 to 3 minutes, we disconnect the Venturi. We make sure there is not too much cleaning solution in the air inlet. If this is the case, we lower down the machine spray impulses. When the air inlet is dry, we raise the spray impulses. As you see here, there's too much cleaning solution, so I will adapt the spray impulses from the machine. I will adapt the spray impulses to 30 impulses a minute, and the cleaning procedure can start for about 1.5 hours till 2 hours. Now we have been cleaning for 2 hours since the treatment started. The cleaning is finished now. We stop the machine and disconnect the Venturi from the air inlet. Stop the engine and we start with the reassemble procedure. The operation is almost finished now. We only have to check the engine error codes. To be sure there are no more errors in the system, start the engine after you have deleted all error codes and run the engine for at least 2 to 3 minutes with an engine rev between 3000 and 4000 revs. Or better is to drive the car for a more effective result.